Today we're going to remove the battery from a 2018 Honda Civic Si 10 Gen. Alright, first thing we're going to be needing is a deep 10mm socket. Next, what we're going to do is we can open up this flap, but you know what, let's start off with the battery clamp here. So using this 10mm, we'll loosen up this nut here and we'll try it out. Alright, we just want it loose enough. On this side here, we're going to pry this open, pull this up. If you use a trim tool, removal tool, it'll be a lot easier. And here's the trim tool, and there it is. That really helps so much. Alright, and we'll use that same 10mm socket to loosen up this nut on this side now. Alright, once you drive that nut out a little bit, the anchoring hook comes loose. And we'll slide this out from the battery and just swing it around. Oh, watch out for that hook. Oh, and it actually came undone there. Perfect. Alright, sweet. Now it's time for the easy part. Using the same 10mm socket, we'll loosen up the negative terminal. Just break this loose here. Let's remove the terminal from its location, wiggle it back and forth, and pull up at the same time. There we have it. Next, we'll open up this cover. We'll loosen this positive terminal up with that same 10mm. If I could get to it, because this flap closed on me. There we go. And then same thing, just wiggle it back and forth and out and around. Now we'll be able to remove the battery. Oh, that has a little latch for it. Oh no, that has a bracket to it. So let's just grab the battery, and there we have it. And that is how you remove the battery from this 2018 Honda Civic Si. Stay tuned to the next video of how to install the replacement battery. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe.